How do I use a note-taking app for readings? Are you wondering how to make the most of a note-taking app for your reading assignments? You're in the right spot. Let's break down some effective strategies to help you get started. First, the key is to choose a note-taking app that matches your study style. Popular options include Microsoft OneNote, Notion, RemNote, GoodNotes, and BearNotes. Each app has unique features that cater to different preferences. For instance, Microsoft OneNote is great for freeform note-taking, while Notion excels in organizing and collaborating on notes. Once you have selected an app, organize your notes into a structured system. Create notebooks or folders based on subjects or topics. This organization makes it easier to find your notes later. When you start reading, engage actively with the material. Highlight key points and summarize paragraphs in your own words. This practice helps reinforce what you have learned. Don't hesitate to annotate with questions or comments to clarify your thoughts. Many note-taking apps allow you to attach additional materials like PDFs, images, or audio files. This feature can enrich your notes and provide context to the information you are studying. Utilize features like tagging or linking related notes. This helps you build connections between concepts, which can improve your memory and understanding. For example, RemNote allows you to convert parts of your notes into flashcards. This technique is effective for active recall, which is a proven method for enhancing memory retention. If you are a visual learner, Microsoft OneNote offers a freeform canvas where you can insert text, images, and drawings anywhere. This flexibility can make your notes more engaging and easier to review. Some apps also provide artificial intelligence tools to summarize lengthy readings or tidy up messy notes. These features can save you time and make your study sessions more efficient. Make sure to sync your notes across all your devices. This way, you can access your reading notes anytime, anywhere. It ensures that your notes are always available when you need them. Regularly review and revise your notes. Turn them into study aids like flashcards or outlines. This practice not only reinforces your learning but also prepares you for exams. In summary, using a note-taking app for readings involves selecting the right app, organizing your notes clearly, actively engaging with the content, and utilizing the app's features to support your memory. With these strategies, you can enhance your study experience and make your readings more effective.